Hey math buddies, how's it going? Before we get started on our assignment today, I want to talk about our assignment. I want to talk about how to get in and out of Seesaw, and this week we'll be doing a lot of practicing navigating through Seesaw because I think we'll be using it for math quite a bit over these next weeks. So let's switch our screen so you can see the computer screen, and I'll walk you through this. Okay, so Tuesday morning or afternoon, whenever you decide you're going to do your math, you will come to our landing page. You'll scroll down to Tuesday. You'll click on that. It'll bring you to your assignments for Tuesday. You'll come down here to your third grade math. You'll click on your Seesaw website, and it'll bring you to this page where you will see a blue login up here in the corner. When you click on that, it's going to take you to another page that's going to give you a choice to choose student. You'll choose student, and then it will take you to your real login page. When you get to your login page, you need to make sure that you have a picture of this paper. I sent it to your families through Class Dojo yesterday. This is your Seesaw login information and directions. Okay, so have that ready to go. Use it. Get logged into your Seesaw page. And when you do, it's going to take you to the 3rd and 4th grade Eagle Seesaw page. It won't look exactly like mine. I'm looking at my teacher screen, my teacher page, but you'll have this up there, this big blue box. When you get there, the first thing that you are going to do is click on Activities. Your assignment is right here. Your first assignment is Family Interview. How do you use math? How do you use math every day? You're going to pick somebody or a couple of people in your family, and you're going to ask them questions about how they use math. In this assignment, or with all of these activities, you have the option. You can come and read the directions by yourself, or you can come down here where it says Play Instructions, and it can be read to you. Now on this one, it says we have to go down here to add response, okay? Let's do that. The next directions, and look, if I forget what it says, I can come up here and I can see the directions again to help me remember. It says the next thing is that you need to click on the video camera. Let's do that. Okay, now I can't use it because I'm already using the camera on this. So let's come up here. I turned it on and paused you because I wanted you to see this is what it's going to look like when you're done recording. And then you can come down here to this blue thing that says Caption, and you can write a sentence or a title about your video. This is my interview about how we use math every day. Okay? And then I'm going to say done. Now I have this caption for my picture. The next thing I'm going to do is come up here to my my green check mark and check that. I'm all done now. Now I'm going to come over here to my name, and I'm going to click the box by my name saying I'm all finished. Okay, and then I've got to go back. Whoops. Let's click it again. Then I got to go back up here to the green circle and click that one more time. Now my video's uploading. And here it is. And I can listen to it. Hi. So I'm using the Seesaw recorder now, and I wanted you to see what the screen would look like. When you're done recording your interview, you're going to click the stop button, and then you're going to go up to the top right-hand side of your screen. There's a green oval up there that says done, and there's a check mark. You're going to go up, you're going to stop your video, you're going to go up and check that, okay? And then I'll tell you what to do next when I see you again. Okay, so there's your video. Pretend that's you. This is your work that you just did. Now, you can come down here and like it, or I can like it. You can comment on it. And then you can post it, okay? And then the last thing, oh, and then that's it. Then you're all done. So hopefully this will be a little easier for you tomorrow, today actually, to wander through that. And don't forget, you can always come to the office hours and check in with me. I'm going to set up a Zoom message, a Zoom time for that. You can text, you can email me. Just let me know how it's going, all right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed doing this. Bye.